Okay, Shelby, on net pay, you work 50 hours at your job in a week, you make oh, sorry, my bad. That's not supposed to be at 112. That's kind of high. That would be, I want that to be 12. Okay. You make $12 per hour. You have 5% deducted from your paycheck for federal taxes. You also have 8% deducted for Social Security. You also have $40 deducted for health insurance. Find your net pay. I'm going to split this problem into 3 parts here. First thing we need to do is find the gross pay. So what I'm going to do is we need to find our regular pay and we need to find our overtime pay. So our regular pay is $12. We always times that by 4 times 40 hours, and we're going to times that by 40. So 12 times 40 is $480. Okay, now for the overtime pay. We need to take, it's dollars times hours, but we got to figure out how many dollars, how many hours. So the dollars I find by taking the 12 times 1.5. So 12 times 1.5 is 18. So we make $18 of overtime. To figure out the hours, well, we worked 50 hours, 50, okay? So I take 50 minus 40. That's 10, so there were 10 hours of overtime. So 18 times 10 is 180. Now let's add these together. 480 plus 180 is 660. So I want to write that down here. All right, now we have to do deductions. So I have 3 deductions. This, and this. So that's minus 3 money amounts we have to figure out. All right, now let's figure these money amounts. You need to write your percents down, 5% and 8%. So 5%, 8% of 660. So, of course, what we need to do then is divide our percents by 100. So 5 divided by 100, 0.05. And then of means times. So I take 0.05 times 660. That's 33. Okay, then I take 8 divided by 100, 0.08. And of means times. So 0.08 times 660, I'm finding 8% of that, $52.80. And the last money amount we actually already know, it's 40. So I figure that out. 660 minus 33 minus 52.80 minus 40. $534.20. That's your net pay. Okay, next problem. Number 2, health insurance. You go to the hospital and the total cost is $1,500. Your insurance has you pay a $20 deductible and 15% of the rest. Find your costs. So health insurance is deductible and then blank percent of the rest right there. Okay, so my deductible is $20. And I know my percent is 15. So then what I need to do then is go over here And I need to take my total cost, $1,500, and subtract the deductible because I've already paid that. And that's $1,480. So $1,480. Now remember how we do this. We divide 15 by 100. And of means we're going to times. Okay, so add those together, and that you have to pay $242. So remember that. Life insurance. You get a 20-year term life insurance policy worth a face value of $80,000. That means if you die in 20 years, your family gets $80,000. The insurance rate is $8 per $1,000 of face value per year. Find how much you pay in a year. Life insurance, we use the ratios, and I go find the per. So that's $8 per 1,000. Okay, and then 80,000 goes on the bottom because that's per how many thousands you have. So that's X, and I cross multiply and divide. So I take 8 times 80,000 divided by 1,000. I get 640. Life insurance is always per year. Okay, number 4, at your job you get paid on commission. You get paid 25% on your sales. Find your pay if your sales were $5,000. So commission, we write our percent, the only one I have, so that's got to be from 0 to 5,000. So now I need to take 25 divided by 100, 0.25. And then multiply, and I got to find that, I got to subtract. So 5,000 minus 0 is 5,000. Okay, now 0.25 times 5,000 is $1,250. Okay, number 5. Your job offers extended commission. The rate is 8% on the first $3,000. So that's 8%. That's from 0 to 3,000. The rate is 12% on your next 4,000. So I drop the 3,000 down. And next means I don't put 4,000. Okay? So 3,000 plus 4,000. 7,000. And then 20%. That's from 7,000 up. Okay, now in the end we got 13,000. Well, that's higher than that. It's higher than that. It'd be right here. So I divide 8 by 100, 0.08. And I minus. So 0.08 times 3,000 is $240. Plus, I got more. 12 divided by 100 is 0.12. Okay, did you get all that? Okay, number 6. I make $14 per hour at my job. How much will I make if I work 35 hours? So I got 14 times hours. The hours equals 35, okay? So I just take 14 times 35, and that's $490. Okay, number 7. I make $12 per hour at my job. How many hours will I have to work to make $4,800? So I've got 12 times, but that's not hours, okay? I don't have hours. So we're going to times it by X equals 4,800. So that tells me I'm going to divide then.